Hello children, Deepali Miss is here with one more video of addition. Today's topic, addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Objectives: to learn 3-digit addition with and without carryover, to learn the skill of estimating sum in hundreds and ones, to learn modeling word problems. Children, first we will see what is regrouping. In addition, regrouping means carrying or carryover. In addition, we regroup when the numbers we are adding come out to 2-digit numbers if they are not in the furthermost left column.
We will see how to add 3-digit numbers. First, arrange the numbers in column form so it will be easy for you to add them. Now this is in column forms. Then start adding from ones place followed by tens and then hundreds. This is ones place, this is tens place and this is hundreds place. So we will start adding from this. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, here we get the answer 377. Now we will see how to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Here the first number is 126 and the second number is 347. We have to add this number. So we will see. Before that, we will expand the number to show the value of each digit. So 126 means one block of 100. Here 2 blocks of tens and 6 blocks of ones. So 126 is 100, 2 tens and 6 ones. Then 347, 3 blocks of 100, 4 blocks of tens and 7 blocks of ones. So 347 is 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 7 ones. Now we will start adding. So first we will add ones. So here 6 and here 7 ones. So we have to add this. After adding, we get the answer 13. It's 13. We need to regroup it. We regroup the ones when our answer has 2 digits. If we regroup 30, we get 1 10 and 3 ones. Now this is 13. So after regrouping this, we got here 1 tens and here 3 ones. We add the 1 10 to the tens column. Now here after regrouping we got here 1 tens. So now we are adding this 1 in this tens column. And then here we will write 3 in ones column. Next add the tens. Now this is tens column. We have to add this. Remember, we added one more 10 to the tens place when we regroup the ones. We have to also add that. It means here 2 tens and this is 4 tens and this 1 10 we got after regrouping. So we need to add this here in tens column. So 2, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now finally add the hundreds. So here is 1 block of 100 and here 3 blocks of 100. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So see here 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the answer of 126 and 347 is 473.
Open page number 72. Add the following using Diane's blocks. One example has been done for you. Now we will see the next example. See here is one block of 100. So we have to write 1 in hundreds column. Then here 2 blocks of tens. So write here 2, and then 1, 2, 3 blocks of ones. So write here 3. Now we have to add this. So write here addition sign. Then here 2 blocks of 100. So write here 2 in hundreds column. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks of tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks of ones. Now we have to add these two numbers. Start adding from ones column. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, but we cannot write here 2-digit number, so we need to carry over 1. So we will write here 0 and 1 is carried. So now we will add this 1 in this hundreds column. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Like this, solve the remaining questions of page number 72 and also solve page number 73 in your maths textbook. Now children, open page number 74. Barkha is a grade 2 student. She is very happy as her mother has bought her a set of man cards. She has formed many numbers with these cards and wants your help in adding these numbers. We will solve this. These are the man cards. Now we will represent these man cards in 100, tens and ones column. Here 2 man cards of 100, so we will write here 2. 6 man cards of tens, so we will write 6 in tens column, and 4 man cards of ones, so we will write here 4. Then we have to add this, so write here addition sign. Then here 1 man card of 100, so write here 1. 6 man cards of tens, so write here 6, and 5 man cards of ones, so write here 5 in ones column. So again start adding from ones column. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So again here we need to regroup. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So we will write 2 here in tens column and 1 is carried over. So now we will add this one in hundreds column. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 429. Like this, solve question number 3 and 4 in your maths textbook, and the next page is for your tomorrow's homework.
Today, let us dive underwater and learn addition of 2 3-digit numbers with regrouping ones, 2, tens and ones. Can you see those colorful starfish? There are 315 orange starfish and 526 red starfish. Let us see how many starfish are there in all. Let us group them into hundreds, tens and ones and then add them. So there are 3 hundreds, 1 10 and 5 ones orange starfish, and 5 hundreds, 2 tens and 6 ones red starfish. Let us represent each 100 with a green dot, each 10 with a red dot, and each 1 with a blue dot. So the numbers 315 and 526 will be represented like this with dots. Now let us add the dots in the ones column first. then the dots in the tens column, and lastly the dots in the hundreds column. So 5 blue dots plus 6 blue dots is equal to 11 ones. Now we know that 11 ones is equal to 1 10 and 1 1. We can represent 10 blue dots as 1 red dot. So we regroup 11 ones as 1 red dot and 1 blue dot. So we get 1 1. Now add the tens, that is 1 red dot plus 1 red dot plus 2 red dots is equal to 4 tens. Now add the hundreds, that is 3 green dots plus 5 green dots is equal to 8 hundredths. So we get in all 8 hundredths, 4 tens and 1 1, which is equal to 841. Thus, there are 841 starfish in all. Now, as you know, we can also directly add the numbers 315 and 526. Let us look at the process of addition of these numbers. Step 1. Write the numbers in the hundreds, tens and ones columns. Step 2. Add the digits in the ones column. That is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Regroup the 11 ones. That is 11 ones is equal to 1 10 and 1 1. Carry the 1 10 to the tens column and write 1 in the ones column. Step 3. Add the tens. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now write 4 under the tens column. Step 4. Add the hundreds. That is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we got the answer as 841. 315 plus 526 is equal to 841. Thus, there are 841 starfish in all. Look, there are so many different types of fish. There are 249 angelfish and 103 goldfish. Let us see how many fish are there in all. Here we have to add 249 and 103 to find out the number of fish. Add the ones, that is 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Carry 110 to the tens column and write 2 in the ones column. Now add the tens, that is 1 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 5. Now add the hundreds, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Thus 249 and 103 is equal to 352. There are 352 fish in all. Isn't it beautiful?